Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to make a treble crochet. So let's get started. So I have my yarn and I'm going to make chain of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what I'm going to do is going to come here in my second stitch right there, pull through, going to make a single stitch, then make chain of 3. Now instead of half double crochet, I'm going to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to come here in the next stitch, pull through, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops, remaining 2 loops, and we'll pull through. Then I'm going to chain 1, round over twice, to come in the second space loop that way, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops, then chain 1, pull into in this next one, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again, and pull through, chain 1, going to do the second one, chain 1, no, then the next one, way, chain 1, the last one. So we have this loop here, so I'm going to pull through that way, and yeah, here as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So the purpose is that you'll make a foundation chain of 12, then over here you come to the second stitch here, insert your hook, make a chain, then you're going to make chain of 3, chain 1, then going to insert our hook. Instead of half double crochet, we're going to roll over twice and then go to the next stitch, pull through one loop, and then you have to pull through 2 loops, again through 2 loops and 2 loops and chain 1, and continue the same way. If you want to see my video of single stitch how I made, there is a video in my playlist, so you can go and watch that if you're interested in making beginner's crochet and making a single stitch. So I hope you like this video. So see you soon. Bye bye till next time.